This video demonstrates the installation of a tub surround kit. The same procedures and techniques apply when installing a shower kit. To begin the installation, make sure the mounting surface is smooth, solid, and meets all applicable building codes. A tub surround or shower kit can be mounted to moisture-resistant drywall, cement backer board, or even existing tile. If installing over existing tile, make sure the tile is thoroughly cleaned of any mold, mildew, or soap residue to ensure proper adhesion, and that the previous watertight barrier is not compromised. The kits are designed to fit most standard tub and shower enclosures and will automatically create a watertight seal when stacked. The standard tub surround kit includes 9 interlocking tile sheets. The standard shower kit includes 12 interlocking tile sheets. The tile sheets are designed to be applied in a specific order to ensure a watertight installation. This also minimizes cutting and dramatically decreases the amount of time necessary to install the entire surround. Make sure that any cuts are done to the same ends, for example, the left side ends, so that the tile pattern will match once all back sheets are installed. To ensure a watertight seal at the corners on any surface type, run a generous bead of silicone caulk to the height of the tile before installation. You can also use PVC tape in the corners to help ensure a watertight backing. Begin the installation with the bottom back wall tile sheet. Check for fit and level before attaching. Mount the tile sheet to the wall using construction adhesive. Install the next back wall sheet on top of the first sheet. The tile sheets are designed to interlock together when stacked, forming a watertight seal. The joint is also designed to automatically create a grout channel, so no tile spacers are necessary. This process will be used throughout the entire install. Then apply the top tile sheet using this same method. Install the side sheets using the same interlocking process, starting with the bottom sheet and working up. The side pieces may need cutting to properly fit the depth of the tub enclosure. Measure and cut the access holes for any pipes or fixtures. Check for fit and level before final gluing. The rest of the installation will go quickly, row by row, using the same installation order. Edging can be installed by sliding the edge trim under the installed tile before the glue sets. This same process is performed if edging is also applied along the top of the tub enclosure. If installing over existing tile, L-shaped edging may be used to cover the extra depth the original tile creates. Grouting can begin immediately. Use only unsanded or non-sanded grout. Apply grout in the exact same manner as you would when working with ceramic tile. This video demonstrates a typical tub surround installation. The same techniques are used on a full shower enclosure.